This adjustable trailer dolly from Ultra-Tow makes it easy to move your trailer into storage or through tight areas where you can't drive it. Accommodate different size trailers with an 800-pound capacity and a ball that adjusts from 15 3/8 inches to 24 3/8 inches high. Easily lift heavier trailers and tandem trailers with the 41 1/8 inch handle for additional leverage. Easily maneuver on the two 12-inch flat-free tires and 8-inch swivel caster that prevent the trailer load from putting too much weight on you. Maintain stability through turns thanks to the wide 30-inch wheelbase. Get years of durable life from the solid steel frame with a hammer-tone powder coat finish that resists corrosion. Easily move your trailer into storage or through tight spaces with this adjustable trailer dolly from Ultra-Tow.